This nigga trying to kill himself or something.
What's going on, guys? So today we are dyno tuning Kerry's Furio, which in a few videos ago you guys seen. I put the LSVtec turbo kit into the car. Finally got around to getting it to the dyno, trying to get it ready for next week's track. When we got here, I had to do a lot of stuff to the car, like wiring the injector, resistor box, the injectors itself. They took care of the fuel pump last night, and we had to wire in the VTEC wire to the A4 plug for the OBD1. But now the car is buttoned up, and we're just doing the baseline pulls right now to get the car drivability back before we really get into tuning the car for boost. So far, it sounds really good. We out here with the owner of the car, his family, his auntie, his cousins. We're all out here, 3 cars deep. And hoping for some decent numbers today. Stock LSV on eBay turbo kit. Hoping to push at least 10 pounds on it. Anywhere 250 to 280 will be happy. And yeah, let's see what the car does. Boy, look at this. Look at that camber on this car. Holy hell. Bruh, y'all need to put that camera kit on there for sure. This is not functional. You got blown lower control arms. You got some mismatch, uneven ass tires. Oh, this car is gonna be a straight sleeper. So if you guys remember in the videos, so if you guys remember the videos of this car, it had DR20s. He traded it for some steelies and hubcaps, because this car is going to be lifted somewhat, you know, above the tire, and try to keep it as sleeper as possible, other than the Paisa headlights. But that's the whole intentions. He wanted to be a sleeper. He wanted people to talk all that shit, calling it a ricer, and then spool on their ass. So right now it's being tuned with open downpipe, and it's going to get a 2.5 exhaust when everything's all said and done, possibly after track. I spoke with, you know, the tuners here. He said that when you put the exhaust on after the car is tuned with an open downpipe, it's just going to change the AFR a little bit on the richer side, which is a lot better than running lean, so not too big of a deal. But it is going to be a full sleeper when it's all said and done. Careful with this guy right here. He's the quiet one, but he get down, bro. Look at his shoes, bro. There's some Chuck Taylors, bro. Don't tub my gang. So they are currently doing baseline pulls without VTEC as of right now. getting the car fully drivable before engaging the VTEC and really getting down with the tuning. So earlier we had issues with the boost controller, which is an old school Faraday boost controller. Right here, old school. I've had this for like 10 years, and it was giving 15 pounds all the way up and all the way down. So this is defected, and we ran pretty much the vacuum line from the turbo straight to the gate, and the wastegate is a steady 10 pounds, which is where we want to be at. So eliminate boost controller straight off the gate, and hoping to make some decent power with the 10 pounds when the VTEC re-engages.
Yeah.
Still with that burn. It's not going in, right? Maybe a prong is not going in.
That's the first pull on VTEC. Not too scribble, which is good. Still adjusting all these out. It starts up so easy. Oh my god. So we are currently having a lot of boost spiking issue, probably from this elbow right here, but there's no other way I could have put that wastegate on without grinding the back of the top of the wastegate to clear the valve cover. So the issue we're having is we're trying to do 10 pounds, and on 10 pounds the car would you know, stay steady up until about VTEC, where the gauge starts to drop to like 6 or 7 psi, and ideally I really don't want it to run like that. That's a common thing as far as turboing your car. So we tried a couple different boost controller. This Xs one was confusing because high is low and low is high. We were spiking all over the place. The Faraday one that I had that's inside the car doesn't work efficiently, and what I'm going to do now is take off the boost controller, remove the wastegate hat to put a stiffer spring in there, so we can try to get the boost to be more controlled with the spring rather than spike down with the boost controller. So I'm going to change that out right now, see how that works out. That post flow though.
That's good.
Yeah, there's this.
Gotta tweak my suspension. racer. So I didn't get the end of the dyno video because, you know, I was too busy fixing all the boost creep issues that this car had. But we are back home. We about to eat some catil right now, my chopstick. And then we're gonna go to our PR meetup spot and do some runs tonight. He ain't even ready. That's the next car. So we head back to my house to do some tweaking on the car, and then we're gonna go to the meetup spot, and then we're gonna see Kerry race in Mexico. So we're gonna piece a budget-built suspension for this car because this car has Taquico Blues with lowering springs, and it rides like a yacht, a lamb boat. So I pulled out all of my suspension I had in the backyard. This one has 4-inch extended top hats. These have 3. That one is 1.5. So we're gonna be using those guys because they were in my CRX and they were ultra stiff, like no rebound. So I'm gonna mix and match a few of these top hats to raise it up higher because these made my car sat over the tires, and we clearly want this car to sit a little bit higher, like stockish, so people can like really underestimate it as a bicycle car. And then but still have a nice solid suspension in the rear for the most part. So I'm gonna mix and match these and see what I come up with and see how much more I can go up on top of these and then install them.
Cool.
It's just the rear a little bit.
Yeah, just that one shock, man.
Yeah, that's a sleeper right there. You can hear that spool. We're not in Mexico, guys. We're in Tijuana. Mexico's too crowded.
Thailand, bro.
We're in the borderline, right?
Thailand.
We're in the borderline.
The fools are rolling dice. They're continuing the game from the meetup spot. That is fucking hilarious. Which is loud. With 2.5 exhaust. Yeah, that's a nasty burnout. I see you. Stretch tire life. Oh, dude! Smoking them fucking tires. Fucking Kerry. That was a good one. Damn. That's second. Whew. I bet you the other half went to the second location.
We follow each other home.
I'll be behind you so you don't see a little girl.
Alright.
Bring by the head. If you want to.
Tomorrow, I'll stop by.
Yeah, for sure. So our night is ended. You have fun? I'll blur out your face because I mean I don't want you to scare my subscribers and shit.
I did. Thank you. Thank you, Redzone. Thanks, Dyno.
So next week we're gonna be going to the track. You going to the track next week?
No, he's not. You
No,
lying
he's not.
ass.
He's
You
not
lying
lying.
ass
He's
nigga.
lying.
You ain't got no slicks, bitch.
This was all talk.
My sponsor
All
Slicks.
talk.
Hey, Simon, get in.
Fuck you.
Hey, he said he can use it. He said
You
it.
did all night, all fucking night.
Go ahead.
How you gonna run your car? I
I was gonna take Josh's car.
You guys going?
LSVtec turbo.
Hey, if you guys are going, y'all need the slicks, then you can run my 23s.
No, I'm just kidding. No.
I'll bring my H another day.
We're not going out.
If you want to break a couple axles, I don't care.
No, fully inflate and launch high.
Fuck you.
Yeah, that might work. Hey, that means
Hey, no more parts for you then.
We don't. We just put our dog, bro. We put our dog.
We're trying to go higher, so I mean.
Only for Dyno now.
Oh, you slick
There's the blow off valve. I turned that shit hella hard.
You smell those brakes?
You want to be louder? You know how it has two ports on there? You plug another one vacuum into it, it'd be louder.
I don't want that shit louder.
Hey, go run that hatch. He's right there, fool. That black bumper hatch.
There you go. Put that shit. Alright, dude.
We had fun, guys. Kerry car did great. We gotta figure out his clutch issue, but he was able to.
He said if you race, be careful.
He just said the only thing that catching people is just the CHP. Like I don't want to run you guys plate. You know what I'm saying? I just be careful.
Nah.
Cause he knows, but then again though, some cops are cool like that.
That shit's hot. Dude.
Yeah.
Hot
So I mean,
boy.
he's cool to even just kind of.
Yeah, I thought he was gonna be like a dick and be like, hey, what's going on? You know what I'm saying? Like,
That's
Well,
probably
I'm turbo too.
Hey,
Is that okay? Is that okay? Can I
He was
leave?
cool. He said we can race.
He said
See if you're trying to get some.
He fucking with us. That's why he's playing.
Racing for some freebies.
He didn't kick us
If
out.
I smoke you, give me 3 passes.
He didn't kick us out. He didn't say, oh.
No, he was cool about it, Mister. I got Taco Bell. I got my cup. Give me a Taco Bell cup.
The old
That's why it's always nice to have variety of different fast food cups in your car.
Don't try to fuck out beer bottles. I got everything.
You get a Monster right there.
Right?
we just came back from a barbecue. Barbecue in the parking lot.
I don't know if you can.
No, but you guys got a lot of stock cars blocked in. Don't even worry about it. Let's get on out of here. Just find another way home, pizza boy.
Go behind us.
That road is closed.
Where's Simon?
Well, guys, we definitely had a fun night. Kerry's car performed really well. So, we had a great night. The car did well. The car did great, actually. So, the clutch master is definitely going out, as well as the slave. We're going to get all that changed out. Track is next week, and I can't see myself for shit. Oh, that shit works, dude. And it's bright. So we're gonna button the car up. We're gonna do some more suspension tweaking to the 4-door to get it all nice and firm, so that way it doesn't do no crazy squatting or suspension movement as far as bushings go. But that is gonna end it for this video tonight, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stick around for 2018 because we're gonna have a lot of cars coming out. Oh, they're gonna line it up right here. They're gonna line it up right here. No, wait, who's? Oh, this is Kerry. Oh, this is Dukes. Turn shit off real quick. Oh, he wanted to race Dara. I forgot. Oh, but Dukes is driving though. As always, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.